press star and hex. Just key in your admin password, press hex. Okay, after that you can see the user manage, press 1. Add user, press 2. If you want to register your fingerprint, password and a card, press 1. Okay, press hex to confirm. Just key in your password, press hex to confirm. Need put it again, double confirm your password, successful. If you want to register your card, after that you can see find an egg between have a logo, just tap here. Done. Okay, so if you want to register your fingerprint, you just need put behind here the sensor, and then over the sensor put 5 times, same angle, and didn't move your finger, successful. Okay, so already done. So if you want to register your face, you need press 1 time the star, and then selection 2 arrow face ID. You need to press the hex to confirm. So okay, after that you can look at camera.
Face 2 up. Face 2 near. Turn face left slightly. Turn face right slightly. Look down face slightly. Look up face slightly. Successful.
Successful.